Serena's house, yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, so we did the paint touch-ups, the floor touch-ups, the grout, and the tub and showers were redone. We did a final clean. I installed the light bulb for you in the master. This is really hard to see, but it says the repair items per the response from the formal response from the office on their inspection report. Those items were done.
So you mean all the items on the inspection report were done, right?
The ones that the office replied and said.
Oh, replied, okay.
Right. And then the garage door has been, or the doorknob, excuse me, has been tightened. I wrapped this up, so we'll see that when we go outside. I called the gas company. They came out and they looked at everything. There's no leaks present, so we're good on that. No, there was a smell or odor that was a concern. But there's nothing, no leaks were found.
Okay.
So that is the punch list. And then...
So you mean like there were some leaks before, or there were no leak from the beginning?
There was never a leak, but we smell outside like a gas smell. So just to be safe, the gas company turned it off. They came out, they checked everything, and then they turned the gas back on.
Okay.
So there is no leaks at all. You're good.
Okay.
And then this was your inspection report. Go to the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay, so the roof company has come out. They took care of all of the items on here, which they completed.
Yeah. And also, Sabrina, so if you want to check the roof, because we as the agents, we're not allowed to climb on the roof because we're not the inspector. So if you want to check whether the roof really have been repaired, you can do reinspection. But we are not allowed to jump on the roof and also for the things like wiring or electrician or gas or whatever, we as agents, we're not able to verify it. Yeah. If you want to verify, you can hire, inspector to do reinspection. Yeah, go ahead.
Also with the roof, if needed, I have an email from the roof company where they said that the punch items from this were completed.
Okay. Okay, cool.
This again was the gutters are installed per the community standards.
Yeah, because the whole community, the second floor does not have that, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. And this is typical.
This is also typical. The same across the whole community.
This was, we'll look at it outside, but it's a pipe coming from the attic. They put a seal around it.
Okay, cool.
These are the trim pieces on the garage. Those have been caulked.
Okay.
This one had to be replaced because of that piece at the very bottom that we saw. So it's not painted yet, but it will be painted today. And if it needs to be recaulked again, we'll recaulk it.
Okay.
This is outside on the back door. We'll look at that in a moment. This was done. I just forgot to change it to completed. That's what we just talked about, where it had to be replaced.
Yeah. This is the stone in the front.
Yep.
It's already...
They came in, they fixed that.
Okay. Let me see. Oh. Yeah, I saw that. I think they replaced with another stone, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Great.
Yes, and while we're right here, we can just look at
Yeah.
this real quick. This has been caulked. This one was also caulked, but again, when they repaint, we may have to do some touch-up on it.
Okay.
So I just put that on there just so that they know.
Yeah, just they will paint it over it. Okay.
I don't have shoes on, but if you want to look over there, the coil for the low voltage by the AC unit is coiled up.
Yes. It's caulked. Yeah, the coil is kind of like 他们把这个绑在一起了。对。Yeah, it's okay. Yep, that's okay.
The siding guys were here. This corner, that whole piece had been replaced off of there.
Huh?
The corner right here, it was in the report. It was all banged up.
Yes.
It's been replaced. It was
Okay.
replaced today.
Cool.
We put a seal around this too.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. Okay, let's continue.
Actually, what the next one on that was. So that piece had been replaced. We can look out back. That also was done today. That's a close-up. It's the same photo. This was where they were saying debris in the grass. We picked it up as much as we could.
Okay.
I monitored the grass yesterday. We had a ton of rain, and there wasn't any standing water over there, so I think we're good with your sod. I don't think there's an issue there. We can go press the garage door, but the button has been fixed, so that goes up and down.
Okay. Yeah, we can check that.
You wanna?
Yeah, before I forgot the.
I know.
And also, I think there is one spot that there is a like dent or whatever in the garage. Not garage.
They sealed the concrete where you were talking.
No, it's still
they
here.
missed one.
Yeah, they missed this one. 这个我上次贴了 blue tape， 他没有做。
Okay. Have them come back.
Yeah.
Sealed the other one.
Yeah, and also in the garage there are some dents too. I think maybe some like tools like just dropped, and
This piece right here was caulked.
okay.
And then let's see, is there anything else back here? The pipe.
There's no standing water here. I didn't see any standing water here. Yeah, there was like rain like a couple of days ago, big rain, but there was no standing water here.
The pipe right there was sealed. That was on the inspection report to be done so that no water got behind it.
Okay.
So that has been taken care of. Your siding piece is on the back of the house. Oh, it was about the window. They pulled that off and fixed
Huh?
that. Excuse me. Okay. The office replied that this is standard, so there was no repair necessary on the hearth. While we're down here, I know it's further down in the report, but the gas line that was kinked, I left that off so you could see. It's no longer that 90 degree.
Okay.
Have you started it already? No, I have not. I think we started it the other day, but.
Yeah. 我点燃了，对。Okay.
The rest is upstairs, other than. Did you look at the garage floor already?
No.
And the master would have to go in there as well. I know he sealed.
Oh yeah, he sealed the places I put blue tape.
Yeah, he did
上次我
he did it where he saw the tape, so unless it got
Yeah.
moved anywhere,
There is one that they missed here. This one is not done yet. This one, you see.
when he comes to do that,
这个他也没做，这个，但他其他的几个做了，就是像这些印子，他就是把它这个抹了，就是用那个就抹平了，就是涂了水泥抹平了这些地方，就你看上去有点像湿的印子的那种地方，实际上我是上次贴的那个有那种坑坑洼洼的一些地方。
And just as a reminder, since it's on the report, we don't put the pan underneath the water heater because
Right. It's in the garage. There's no need the water pan. 就是车库的那 Yeah. Okay. 因为上一次的话，这个车库门是关不上的，现在关上了。在 first walk 的时候，这个车库门关不上。Okay, sounds good.
the master bath. First came back and they took care of the drains and the arm on the shower head that was a little loose in here. You remember, but it's very, very tight now. It can't It doesn't move at all.
It's tight right now.
Yes.
OK， 你可以放一下水，看它还漏不漏。那水量只有那么大吗？
不是放大了会漏水。没有。
没有了哈。
These sinks were fixed.
OK。Yeah, go ahead.
The other one, sorry. It's really good water pressure.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, sorry, did you?
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
I'll put some more in there.
Yeah, that's okay, because I saw that. It's okay. It can hold the water, yeah.
Alright.
Yep.
And then as far as the vanities underneath, the countertop company could not get here until this afternoon. So this will be fixed today. We just don't have anything.
So which item will be fixed today?
It's those clamps underneath the sink.
Oh.
Where the report said that it was improperly installed.
Okay. So they will fix that.
Yes, they're coming this afternoon. That was the soonest they could get here. This is the light for right here. This will be done after lunch today.
Okay. So it will be a light here.
Yes, I was mistaken. It was just something that was back ordered, so we had to get it.
Okay.
We talked about the coil.
Yeah, coil is being
We already checked that.
Yes, last time.
And the disposal. And that is the end, other than the stuff upstairs.
How about the attic that I saw, like...
I have a ladder, so you guys can go up there if you would like.
Yeah.
I drove the nails into the platform, so that has been taken care of.
So you mean this will be repaired today, right?
Yes,
okay.
Yes. This afternoon they're coming, and they're going to check. I'm going to have them check all of them.
Okay.
But these are all upstairs if you want to take a walk up there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And these are the holes and everything that it's this on the second floor, right?
Correct.
Yep. So shall we go to the second floor, or do you have anything else to check on the first floor?
That was the last thing down here.
Yeah, I think I put blue tape here because there are holes here. Do you repair the holes? Yes.
I will have them. When they do the
There were holes here.
outside.
I did put the blue tape, and there are holes there. I'm not sure whether.
When they do the trim outside, they can put some filler in that.
Okay. Here the same.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
Yeah, I put the blue tape there, but it was teared.
That was on the report. They filled that.
Yeah.
This also was removed, and it's, as you can see,
Yeah.
it's not moving.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to climb in that or not, but the nails are on the platform. They are, I put them in as far as I could.
Okay.
Any further, it's gonna go under it.
Uh-huh.
Then the spot up, directly up here,
Mm-hmm.
where the sheathing had that hole in it,
Mm-hmm.
that I could not reach, so I have the framer coming to fill that area. Because like I would have to bring my ladder in there, and I was like, nope, not doing that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
But in here, same thing with
So
the,
Sabrina, if you want to check your attic, then a re-inspection is needed because we are agents and we are not, home inspector to verify whether those repairs are done correctly.
this is
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is the same as the downstairs. They'll be fixing the clamps to hold the sink better.
Okay.
It'll be
Sounds
this
good.
Afternoon, back close of day.
Yeah.
There was a piece of blue tape right there for the grout that has been fixed,
Mm-hmm.
and these also.
Oh, and for the smoke detector, please take that plastic
I missed
off
one?
because
Okay.
sometimes when tenants move in, they ask us to get that
I
done.
can get that my letter right here. That's no issue.
OK， 对，这个他要把那个塑料给摘掉，因为租客搬进的时候，他会要我们给摘掉。
But your sinks are holding water.
Yeah. Yeah, they're holding water. Absolutely. And you will have a plywood here, right? And you remove
It's
that.
up there. I just
it's
moved
up there.
it. It's
Okay.
the door for
Oh.
when you have to get in that attic. You have to get it out of your way so that you can
Okay.
climb up there.
Okay.
But it is right up there. So if I
Right.
take this down, I'll pull it back down.
Great.
All right. So we talked about that.
Attic are the place that we don't allow tenants to go in because it's for professionals, not for the homeowner or the tenants.
Just looked at the drains.
I think they said that there were like a water leaking or something here.
I'm looking for that shower head right now on the report.
I didn't see the leaking right now.
You refill the plumber's tape up there.
Okay. 我现在没看到 leak 了，之前这里有 leak. Okay, cool.
That was the last thing on there.
Okay.
Other than the tape you had on the cabinets room to fix. The touch-ups and adjustments have been done.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, where is the key? Not the key, yeah. They usually there is a kind of like a small piece of like a needle or something to because this is not for kids to get in.
Right. It's up here.
这里要提醒，如果你们自己以后管理，你们这个房子是自己管理嘛，一定要注意，这个是不能允许这个小孩爬进去的。有一个像针一样的，像这种东西，它可以打开或关闭这个锁。但最好我是建议要你们找 contractor 也好，安一个那个锁。我建议就是找 contractor 安一个那个锁，这样锁上，然后呢就不会有小孩进去了，因为它那个底下是不能承重的，那小孩爬进去的话有很大的危险，所以这个不能够进去的。对，你看一下上次给 blue tape 有没有弄好那些blue tape 的地方。Yep. Yeah. And I think last time the master bedroom door 它好像这个 door stop 在后面我看到了，因为上次我是说这个地方少了一个 door stopper， 但是它这个 door stopper 是在这儿。Yeah, I saw. So the door stopper is behind, right? It's in there. Because I didn't see a door stopper here, so I just I think I put a blue tape here, but it's there, right? Okay. 对，所以基本上碰不到。
Or excuse me, I'll adjust it real quick. So it
Yeah.
doesn't hit. So it's not going to go any further than there.
Okay.
If they want it a little bit closer, I can tighten it a little bit, but
Okay.
that will stop it right there.
Okay. Sounds good. All right. And you said you replaced the bulb?
It was in the vanity.
Yeah.
There's a light bulb in it.
Oh, here. Yeah. And here, do you see there may be a crack here. You see that? You see the line? I'm not sure there is something there or a crack there?
Could possibly be some paint or caulk, but I will check it out.
Yeah. 这个我不知道你能不能够看清楚，这个地方好像是有一个，不是这个，在哪儿去了？对，就是这个，这个地方好像是有一条印子，不知道是脏印子还是说有一个 crack， 在这儿，他会去检查一下，因为这个要梯子才能看清楚的，在那个里面，在那个里面。
If it is cracked, I'm going to go to another house that hasn't closed yet, exchange it, and then I'll let the light company know I need it for the other.
Okay.
Because they are all the same out here.
Yeah, that's cool. So will you be able to verify that's a crack or something?
Yes, I'm going to take my letter down, and
Okay.
then I'm going to feel it. If it is cracked, then I'll just take one out of the other house, and then I'll replace that
Okay.
one.
Okay, sounds
That
good.
way that's taken
Yeah.
care of in here.
Right.
Shoot, yes I do. Sorry, I forgot to bring them in here.
I'll grab my other piece.
他们出去有事了，那我就先录到这儿，基本上已经走完了所有的，再仔细看他们上次 blue tape 有哪些地方，现在还在我的那个助理在上面在检查。我上去要检查，他们好像去有事情去了。那我现在就录到这里啊 ，Sabrina，这是你的房子，我等下会把整个房子再拍个 video， 拍些照片啊，谢谢。